Hey there, welcome back to Net Worth Nest, where we help you unlock your financial potential. Are you looking to earn money online without investment? Whether you're a complete beginner or you're ready to level up your side hustle game, this video is for you. Stick around because we're about to dive into some of the best online jobs for 2025 that don't require any capital up front. So, let's get started. You're sitting at home, scrolling through your phone or laptop, and you realize, what if you could turn this screen time into real money? What if you could start earning online without spending a dime? Well, guess what? You can. Whether you're looking for easy ways to earn online, side jobs with no investment, or just a way to make passive income online, today, we're exploring how you can start earning from home for free. First up, freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular online jobs without investment that allows you to tap into your skills and talents. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com give you a platform to offer services like writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, and so much more, all without needing to spend money to get started. And the best part? You can work from home on your schedule. You might be asking, but how do I get started? It's simple. Start by creating a strong profile that highlights your skills and start bidding on jobs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's always demand for services. So, get in the game. Online surveys and market research. Make money fast. Next, let's talk about something that's super easy: online surveys and market research. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie pay you for sharing your opinion. Now, I know what you're thinking: this might sound too good to be true, but these platforms are legit and offer one of the quickest ways to earn money online free. While you won't get rich from surveys, they're a great way to earn a bit of extra cash in your spare time. And hey, if you're looking to make money without investment, this is a zero-risk earning option that takes minimal effort. Plus, many sites offer bonuses for signing up. Affiliate marketing. Earning through promotions. Now, if you're looking for passive income online, affiliate marketing is a great route. You don't need to invest in products or have inventory, just promote other companies' products and earn a commission for each sale. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Rakuten Marketing are great platforms to start with. The key is finding a niche you're passionate about, whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or fitness equipment, and sharing it through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Zero investment. Absolutely. And once your links are out there, you can earn passive income without much effort on your part. Teaching or tutoring online, a high-demand side hustle. Here's one of the best online jobs for 2025: teaching or tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, you can teach languages, math, or even coding to students worldwide. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Preply connect educators with students seeking help. You can work from home and set your own hours, making this a flexible, easy way to earn money online. And best of all, you don't need to spend a dime to start. If you love helping people and sharing knowledge, this is a perfect match. Content creation and social media. Earning through your passion. For those of you who are more creative, consider content creation. If you love making videos, writing blogs, or sharing your thoughts, social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer opportunities to earn money through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and sponsored content. While it takes time to grow an audience, once you've built a following, earning money online becomes a lot easier. And, you guessed it, it requires zero investment, just your creativity and consistency. Virtual assistant, the secret side hustle. And for those of you who are organized and detail-oriented, becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect zero investment side hustle for you. As a VA, you'll help busy professionals with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, and customer support. There's a growing demand for virtual assistants across many industries, and you can find opportunities through websites like Belay, Time, etc., or remote.co. So, there you have it. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, online surveys, and more, there are plenty of ways to earn money online without investment. Whether you're looking for quick cash hustles, passive income streams, or a flexible side gig, these options can help you get started today. And remember, consistency is key. With a little time and effort, you can start building a steady income stream that requires zero capital up front. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Net Worth Nest for more expert tips on earning money, investing, and building wealth. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest ways to earn money online and grow your financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's get that zero investment money rolling.